What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Shane. This is the Shane Show. Alright, you guys, so there is a car show going on right now, Peoria Sports Complex. Not feeling good, and I missed Cars and Coffee this morning, but just want to film. I just want to go check it out, so we'll go spectate. And so we'll take the GTR there, move the Cobalt over here, and back that out. Let it all warm up. The stock wheels on the Cobalt. I'm supposed to work on it this weekend. I've got a sinus infection. In order to get the car in here and leave enough room for the truck, I have to get super close to the wall. And then I gotta watch out for that. We are good. Alright. So we're good there. Got it in. Let's go ahead and warm up the GTR. Go ahead and start her up. Sounds pretty good. Love the way that Gretty exhaust sounds. Show. It's only like 20 miles away. It's literally right down the street from my house. I'm just gonna go there to spectate. This car is dirty. I don't want to put it in any type of car show. Plus, I mean, there's not really anything done to it. I don't think it's car show worthy. It's not really super fancy or anything like that, but I do want to go just check out and see what kind of cars are there. So let's go. So I had mentioned that the show is like 20 miles from my house. We'll take side streets to get there. I know it's like $40 to enter this as a show car. Definitely not doing that. I don't feel this is show car worthy. I just want to drive it and have a good time. But I do want to go see what kind of cars are at this show. So it is the Elite Tuner car show at Peoria Sports Complex. So today is Saturday. It's December 1st. So in Phoenix, the first Saturday of every month, we have Cars and Coffee, and then today we happen to have the Elite Tuner Car Show, and then we have the pavilions later tonight. So in Phoenix, you know, it's cooler weather now that we're into winter. There's always car stuff going on. Unfortunately, I'm sick today. I don't know how long I can stay out today. Sore throat, runny nose, sinus infection, all the good stuff, but at least wanted to come out and show you guys some of the cars that Phoenix has to offer. And I wanted to drive the GTR today, too. That's just a little bit. This guy's got Christmas lights on his truck. Alright guys, we have arrived at Peoria Sports Complex. Just gonna leave the GTR parked here for now. We'll have to go up there, get some tickets, and see what kind of cars are here. Doesn't look like, I don't know, it's hard to tell how big of a turnout it is, but pretty sure it's like $20 to get in, so let's go get our ticket. Alright guys, let's see what kind of vehicles we have. Got a Fiat. I like this FD right here. And look at the turbo. Happy birthday, you make me much better. You make me happy birthday. You make me much better. This 300Z is super clean. Look at the exhaust. This is freaking sick. We have an RB26 in here. 300Z, super clean. car is well done. Has Volk wheels, K-Sport brake setup. This is one of the coolest signs I've ever seen for a car. Nutritional facts. Got a Borg Warner turbo. It's got a massive intake manifold, big old throttle body. Got some old school muscle here with a LS motor. That's different. Civic Type R. Got another RX-7. I like these carbon fiber fenders. This one's clean looking. Also rotary. It's got a massive Borg Warner turbo on it also. This car's looking super clean though. I really like that stance, the way that the wheels look. Super clean. Rolling right into a Z. This thing is on the floor. This thing is definitely bagged. I can't even fit my finger on it. It is laid to the ground. It's got a Vortex supercharger on it. Lots of carbon fiber everywhere. Got another GTR here. This one says GT 700R, designed, built, and tuned by Bach Racing. It's got tile blow-off valves. The Visconti Flex Fuel kit, so it's running on E85. It's pretty cool, shooting flames. Looks pretty good. I also like those wheels. Warning, stay 30 feet back. Pretty cool looking Evo. I like that radiator hose. That's real cool looking. It's got a nitrous spray bar on the front. Liberty Walk FRS. It's a pretty cool wrap on the air compressor tank. I like that, it's different, it's unique. Got a right-hand drive Supra. It's pretty cool. Not too many of these in the States. I also like the bronze wheels. This is one of the OG's cars right here, Chris Hicks. We used to roll together back in the day. He used to have an RSX. It's pretty good looking R32 Nismo wheels. Also has Nismo seats. Sweet looking S2K, got a big turbo. You guys know me, I'm a big fan of wings, big old wings. Got the Voltex wing on here. Awesome. Right into a sweet NSX. This thing is dumped, it's on air ride. It's got a beautiful red paint, almost looks like a candy apple or like a black cherry. APR wing, just tucked. We got David's GTR. You guys have seen this car a few different times. It's looking clean. It just had some stuff done to it by Harrison Performance. So car's looking good. APR wing. Got the diff flow diffuser on there. Oh, also put the painted interior trim blue. We got a sweet Audi R8 Spider. Manual gearbox. Sweet looking Huracan 610, LP 610. Really like the wrap on this one. It's like a gray metallic. It's different. Also right into another Lamborghini Huracan. So we got the variant crew here. These are all variant wheels. 370Z. Got another GTR with red variants. This one's also on E85. See the flex fuel kit up there.
All right.
This is a 2016 GTR. You can tell the 2016s from the 2015s based on this stamp right here, the Takumi stamp.
You're about to dance, right?
Front splitter on this Challenger looks really good.
You own a car? You own a car?
I'm not an American muscle guy, but this car looks pretty good. That splitter. And we got Mike's car.
Alright, so the next one is going to be Elite.
It's purple 2017. This car's looking super clean.
No, not that. Go ahead.
Got the Madzilla here.
Shirt and sticker at the Elite Tuner booth.
Follow him on Instagram at mpolito97.
And a sticker from Elite Tuner.
Yes, this wing is absolutely awesome. I love chassis mounted wings. This thing is gutted right here. Full on race car right here.
Big bang tight, low bang, big bang tight, low.
What's up, everyone? So I'm about headed out right now because not feeling too good, but hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure give it a thumbs up. Also, check out video over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and head out just like that.